Hello, my name is Chong On. Today I'm presenting for JAC 444 Workshop 8. This is a really short workshop and we start with an interface, functional interface, where we have the apply double, expecting double numbers in an array, and here we have the 5 functions in lambda expressions. So maximum value, so we find the maximum value in a given array. Minimum value, the reverse of it, the sum of all the elements and the average of the elements. And the last one is a counter. The counter counts how many times the same value appears in the customized array, and we have a tester. So the test is, so assume I have a size of 10. So let's type something. So it reads double figures, but I can also enter integers. So things like I can enter something else. Let's type a repetitive one. Let's say number 2. Okay, so the maximum value is 80.0. Minimum value is 1, but it's cast as a double, so it's 1.0. The sum is basically the sum, and average is like this. Enter a number to check how many times it appears in this array. So I type 2 instead of the other numbers. As we expect, is this also cast as a double, 2.0, appears 2 times. So this is a very simple program on using lambdas on how to get values from a user-defined array. Thank you.